Example number 5. With resistances R1 and R2 respectively in the left gap and right gap of a meter bridge, the balancing length is 0.4 meter. With R1 and R2 in series in the left gap and 5 ohm in the right gap, balancing length is 0.6 meter. What is the balancing length with the same 5 ohm in the right gap and R1 and R2 connected in parallel in the left gap? So, in the first condition, what they have given, R1 in left gap, R2 in right gap. Balancing length L is given, it is 0.4 meter. So what do we get? R1 by R2 should be equal to L divided by 1 minus L, that is 0.4 divided by 1 minus 0.4. So R1 by R2 should be equal to 0.4 by 0.6, that is equal to 2 by 3. So we get R1 is equal to 2 by 3 R2, or R2 is equal to 3 by 2 R1. So this is from the first case. Next, R1 and R2 are in series in the left gap. And 5 ohm in right gap. Balancing length is 0.6 meter. So R1 and R2 are series, so effective resistance is R1 plus R2 divided by 5 should be equal to 0.6 divided by 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4, that should be equal to 3 by 2. Now R1 plus R2 should be equal to 15 by 2, that is 7.5. R1 plus R2 is 7.5 ohm. Now substitute for R2 from this, we'll get R1 plus 3 by 2 R1 is equal to 7.5. So this will become 5 by 2 R1 is equal to 7.5. R1 is equal to, so 15 by 5, that is 3 ohm. If R1 is 3 ohm, R2 should be equal to 4.5 ohm. So we got the values of R1 and R2. Now we will be able to calculate what is the balancing length when R1 and R2 are connected in parallel in the left gap and 5 ohm in the right gap. So now in the left gap, R1 parallel to R2. What is R1 parallel to R2? RP should be equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. That will be 3 into 4.5 divided by 3 plus 4.5 is 7.5. So that will be 1.8 ohm. So this is the parallel combination. Now this is in left gap. In the right gap we have 5 ohm. Now we need to find L. So RP by 5 is equal to L divided by 100 minus L. Or if you take it in meter, it will be 1 minus L. So RP is 1.8 divided by 5 is equal to L divided by 1 minus L. Cross multiply 1.8 minus 1.8L is equal to 5L. 1.8 is equal to 6.8 L. So L should be 1.8 divided by 6.8. So 1.8 divided by 6.8, that is 0.265 meter. This is the balancing length when R1 R2 are connected in parallel in the left gap and 5 ohm in the right gap.